In this video, we will show you how Ardev company installs a swimming pool. First, workers or machine dig into the mud to desired depth and shape. Then at the same time when the digging is being done, the pool is made in our factory and the base is made using RCC or PCC panel. Then after 10 days, the pool gets delivered to the location. Then this is how using a crane the workers get the pool into the designated location. The Ardev team makes sure that the pool is being held carefully. The crane hoisted the pool off the ground and accurately positioned it. Then the labor fills the mud around the pool. Then after the civil work, Ardev team comes up and fills the pool with water. The pool is ready to use within a month. Also, you can cover up the space by automatic pool cover and use the space as sitting or activity area. This is how a pool can be installed in a small space which can be used as a swimming pool area as well as activity or a sitting area. Arrdevpools has made it possible to transform small spaces into versatile areas that serve as swimming zones, seating spaces, maximizing the functionality without compromising on style.